Wow, that was bad. But it's good though. GoPro still recording and all that. Yo, what up everybody? It's Stephen here from Mod2Fame, and we are back with another video. It's the place where y'all like to see us, man, the racetrack. Y'all be complaining about what we do in the street, so here we are at the track. So we gonna do our best, man. We gonna try to, you know, put down some numbers today. I don't know who I'm running up against yet, but trust me, it's gonna be a good one. Let's jump into it. Let's go. Yeah, y'all see it, that 720 Spider. Woo! Jeez, a 720S Spider, excuse me. I don't want to get it wrong, sir. I don't want to get it wrong. You know what I mean? And we're going to be running with some stiff competition today, as y'all can see. We got the GTRs lined up, boy. They are all full bolts on, E85. Some of them E85, some of them pump. My man Mariano, y'all know he just got this car. And this one is DME tuned. Upper and lower downpipes. Another GTR back there. Audi RS3. Trackhawk up front, and more cars on the way. All right, so I came over to the air station. What I wanted to do is set up my air in the tires. So what I did was, my max PSI on these tires is 51, so I put it up to 49, because when it starts to roll, it's gonna heat up and go up to 51. And then in the back, I'm gonna start out with, I know you guys are gonna say drop it lower, but I'm gonna start out with 24. I wanna see how it does with 24, and I could always go down from there. That's where we starting at. I think that's a good starting point for me, man. We'll see how it does, we'll see how it hooks up.
Gotta make sure your windows are rolled up. You're familiar with staging and all that, right?
What,
Like, where do you line up? That way you don't drive past it. You see where it says pre-stage stage?
Yeah, it lights up and then the bottom.
Right, yeah, but it basically, your front tire is gonna break the beam. You see that little stripe of black right here in between the red? Basically gonna line up your front tire with that. That's where the beam is, but you're looking at the pre-stage stage the whole while. You know what I mean? Stage, you want to basically go forward real slow till you turn it on. A little bit more, get the next one.
Guys, that was pass number 1, and as you see it, the 60 foot was atrocious. A 1916 60 foot. But my God, is this car moving? Look at my mile an hour. 131.54. I ran an 11.1, so we are definitely, boys, going 10 today. My estimate, if I can get that 60 foot down to a 1.7, this is a 10.7 car all day. All right, y'all, so that Huracan right there is my competition. I want to see what he runs. Let's see what he does. See what it is. 11.22 at 127. Oh, I'm gonna bust that ass. All right, y'all, your boy is down right now, so we might as well have some fun filming other people since I'm down. All right, let's go. 720 with no launch control versus an Ivy Tune GTR. See what we got. It's over. It's over. The 720 gonna catch him. It's a good run. It's a good run. Who won?
Oh man!
Are you kidding me?
They're gonna have to do that again.
What? That's crazy. All right, so competition M4. Oh, sorry, a CS. M4 CS versus Audi RS7.
Thank you.
To the wall. Spin City for the M4. Yo, y'all laying down any more prep? Y'all laying down any more prep?
Been laying down for everything.
Word. All right, here we go. SVJ versus tuned downpipe upper lower M5 versus SVJ. I think this is gonna be one to watch because the guy with the M5 has been practicing. The guy with the SVJ has not. So this might prove to be pretty interesting. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Don't stop! Don't go! Don't go! Don't go! Don't go!
Reset.
While they reset the light, his fastest time so far in this M5 has been an 11.0, and I don't know what the SVJ has run so far. We got Track Day TV right now doing his thing. All right, here we go, boys, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, the SVJ just took a loss because he didn't know how to launch it right. Wow. The M5 is getting slower as it gets hotter. This thing ran a 8.5 the last time. Let's see what it does this time. Fully built Evo. 8.5. He's not gonna do that fast this time. He bogged really bad. He just chilled this run.
So basically,
11-second run. He went from an 8.5 to an 11-second. That's how big of a difference it is with driving hard versus not. All right. This Huracan been running 10.8s versus this Ivy Tune GTR. I can't remember what I seen him run. I think I seen him run a 10.7 earlier. Oh, somebody else is driving the Huracan. Because that's Gil right there, the owner. Yo, good luck, Gil. I hope you win. From outside the car. Oh, 1090 versus 1086. He got a bad start though. Yeah, he got a bad start. Good run though. right, guys, so this is it, man. Try to loosen up a little bit. Make sure all my gears feel right. I missed the fucking gear! I was gone! I was gone, bro! God damn, that was my run! And that was my GoPro. Wow, that was bad. But it's good though. GoPro still recording and all that. Honest with y'all, man, your boy is upset. He's upset. Had a lot of plans for videos for right now, bro, and done. My done. So I guess I'll just cover the rest of the event for y'all, but it happens, man, right? You said it happens.
It happens to the best of us, brother. It happens to the best of us.
Oh, man. So the bad part is we need a clutch, y'all, so that's an expense, right? And then the labor. But now that we gotta do a clutch, now we can do drive shaft and half shafts, and then we can launch that bitch. And then get serious. Low 10-second car coming up. Yeah, y'all, we about to try to catch this race of the day right now. The SVJ versus the 720. Now, the 720, remember, doesn't even have a launch control. Let's see if he can still get the SVJ. This is it. I'm gonna try to get it from 2 angles. Oh, the 720 is gone. 720 is gone, bro. Jesus. To let y'all know, that was a 10.6 at 138 versus a 10.82 at 133. Jesus. Ready? Come on, go, go.